Welcome to the tutorial EcoStruxure Power to discover how to subscribe to the web application Facility Expert directly through GoDigital, the e-commerce platform of Schneider Electric. We're going to take as an example a subscription that will allow you to track the energy consumption data, the cost of the building, and receive smartphone alerts in case of malfunctioning equipment, and, moreover, to manage the maintenance activities of the building. Before we begin, you must be registered on GoDigital. If this isn't your case, you can make a request for registration online directly through GoDigital, or contact your Schneider Electric interlocutor. Go to the following address, http://godigital.schneider-electric.com and access with your account to GoDigital. Click on the Solutions tab and then on Smart Power. Select your desired plan, in this case, the Smart Power plan. Select the options you desire, and finally, click on Add to Cart. Enter the reference for the purchase. You'll see all this information, the options you've chosen, the final price, and an option to reconfigure if you missed or want to change something. If everything's in order, click on Checkout. You'll go to Step 2, selecting your payment method, wire transfer. Click on I agree, the service agreement, and click on Proceed to Next Step button. Check everything's good for the last time and click on Confirm Order. The order confirmation and the invoice will be sent to your email. It will look like this. Also, by clicking here, you'll be redirected to your profile page on the section My Purchases, where you'll be able to see all the purchases you've made. We remind you that you've available all tutorials for every configuration stage of the Smart Panel and Facility Expert. For more details, you can download the configuration guide, EcoStruxure Power.